Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So have you ever wondered by looking at a professional photographer the lighting effect in some portraits or some objects, how beautiful the lighting looks? Is it all the time editing? No, it's not the editing all the time. It's because of the camera setting. A particular trick named point focus I am going to show you in this video. Make sure to watch till the end. And remember, while taking portrait, you have to keep the aperture at the lowest value.
Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you the magic and the power of spot metering with manual focus in our DSLR camera. What is that? Spot metering refers to the metering mode where your camera will adjust its setting based on only the focal point you select. Okay, so as you see, I am using Nikon D7000 camera. I will show the settings for this manual mode with spot metering. So here you see my window, the setting window. Before that, I would like to show you the mode I have kept. I have kept it in aperture mode, so that I will define the aperture, and the ISO also I will define, but the shutter speed it will be decided by the camera. And here it is. Okay, so here is the window, and now look at the button I am pressing very carefully. Okay, so this is the button you have to press. You have to press this button. You see, now it is referring to a single point, which is showing it is spot metering. Generally what it happens, you have to, when you rotate this wheel, by keeping pressed that particular button, okay, so you have to keep this button pressed and you have to rotate this wheel, and you will notice that the metering mode will be changing. So this is the normal, what it is, the center weighted, the matrix mode, and then again I am rotating, it is the center weighted, and now this sign, when this sign is appearing, it means it is now center weighted metering. And I have kept my camera on manual focus. Okay, as you can see, AFM, and I am using 55-300 lens. Why 55-300? Because it is too hot outside, and don't tell me to go in that scorching heat. So I am going to take the photo shot from a distance, a little bit distance. Now I would like to show you my subject. So here is my subject. It is a toy car which my son used to play. So I have kept it in such a place where part of it under a shade and part of it in the sunlight. I would like to show you the difference by taking a photo in the auto mode and by taking a photo in the aperture mode with spot metering, so that you can see the difference, that you will understand how the background is totally black or white, how those portraits are taken. I will give you the technique here. You apply it with your creativity for any natural object or any portrait, whatever you would like. Now, when doing this kind of photography, it is most important to choose the focal point. Here I am showing you through the viewfinder, my camera viewfinder, what I am seeing. You can see my focal point. It is set on the highest illuminated area, that is the area where the light is most. Okay, you see the button. Okay, I have kept my focus over there. Okay, you see, right, it is through my viewfinder. Okay, now I will switch my camera to auto mode without flash in Nikon. Okay, so this mode where I have set it, it is the auto mode without flash. So I will just press the shutter once to take a photograph. Okay, you see my settings has changed, it is taking auto. I don't mind that. So I will just take a photograph. Yep. Now time to switch back to my aperture mode and show you what picture I'm going to take.
So
Okay, so
now
as you
it's
have
time
seen,
to look
I have
at the
taken
results.
two pictures.
First, I would like to show you the picture taken in the auto mode. You see, this is the picture. My focal point is correct. But notice carefully, in the background there are some unwanted objects. Okay, and also just look at the light effect, how it is looking there, so that you can compare it when I am bringing up the picture taken with spot metering in aperture mode. Look at the light effect and look at the background. The only spot where I focused, that part is fine and nicely illuminated, but the other portions, how they are making the actual scene to pop out of the screen, that is in the spot metering, the main part where you are focusing, that looks to be popping out of your screen. So try it on a portrait. I will again scroll back to the old picture and again scroll in here so that you can see the difference. So try it in a portrait or something, you will see the effect and also notice the light effect. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.